students. Today we are going to study balancing of redox reaction. Okay, so balancing of reaction you have studied in class 10th, isn't it? And the method which you have used was the hit and trial method. Here in class 11 we will be studying about the balancing of redox reaction with the terms of oxidation number. Okay, so two ways by which we can balance a redox reaction is the oxidation number method and half reaction method. Okay, first we will be studying about the oxidation number method. Okay, so in this method, the first I will tell you the steps how you will be balancing a equation. Okay, the first method by which step I will say which you will take in oxidation number method is first you will write the skeletal equation, total reaction in a skeletal form. It means what? It should not be in a balanced form, a skeletal equation which is not in a balanced form. Okay, then you have to assign the oxidation numbers to different elements present in the reaction. Okay, and then what happens after assigning the number, you will see where the change in oxidation number has taken place. Okay, and then you will be doing what? When you will be seeing the change in number of oxidation state, you will be calculating the increase and decrease of the oxidation number per atom. Okay, and then we will be doing what? We will be multiplying it in order to balance the atoms, and then if we will be seeing about the H atoms are more or oxygen atoms are more, in order to balance this hydrogen, we will be adding what? Water at last. So let us start with the steps. Okay, so now we have taken a reaction. Okay, copper oxide plus ammonia gives copper plus N2 plus H2O. We are going to take out what the oxidation number of different elements present in this reaction. Okay, and then we will be balancing this reaction with the oxidation method. Okay, oxidation number method. Okay, so here oxygen, what it will be? Oxidation number, first step, skeletal equation is written. Second step is we have to take out the oxidation number. So oxidation number of oxygen is how much? What we are taking? -2. Okay, so if this is -2, this will be what? +2. Okay, here we are this ammonia is there, NH3. This is here what we'll be taking N for X. Suppose this X. Okay, plus how much? What it is? It is +3 is equal to what? 0. Therefore, X is equal to what? -3. So here ammonia is what? Oxidation number -3 and this is +1. Okay. Now coming to copper. Okay. Copper is in the elemental form, so it is 0. Nitrogen molecular form 0. Okay. Now here water, it is -2, and when you will take out, what happens? 2 upon 2, it becomes what? +1 for hydrogen. Okay, so this you know very well to take out the oxidation number. Now you have taken out. Now what you have to see? You have to see, or you have to identify what? The change in the oxidation numbers. You can see here copper is +2 and here copper is what? Copper is here +2 and here copper is what? 0. Change in oxidation number has taken place, isn't it? Now, when we see about oxygen, it is same. Okay, coming to nitrogen, it is what? Here in NH3, you can see what? It is -3, and here it is what? N2 is 0. Okay, so N2 is 0. Here also the change in oxidation number has taken place. Now what you have to do actually in this, as there is change in oxidation numbers, you have seen now here what is happening. This +2, here it becomes 0. It is being what? Reduced. Here -3 to 0. It is being oxidized. Now you have to what? See, or you have to balance now the atoms. How you will be balancing it? The equation is CuO plus NH3 gives Cu plus N2 plus H2O. This is only this, isn't it? Now you are seeing what? Here change is with what? +2 to 0, so with 2, isn't it? For copper, to this copper. Okay, and when we are seeing for nitrogen, it is 3, isn't it? -3 to what? 0. So here you are seeing there is a change in what? By the number of 2 and the by number of 3, isn't it? You have to interchange it. You have to interchange it. It means what? You have to multiply CuO, which is giving Cu. Instead of 2, you will be doing with what? 3. And here NH3 to N2 you will be doing with 2. So now when you are doing this, what happened now? Now your equation becomes what? In this, it becomes 3CuO plus 2NH3 gives what? 3Cu plus N2. N2 you have to do it with 1 only, because here you have to balance the atoms on the left hand side also and right hand side also, okay? And plus H2O. Okay? Now, you have got this reaction now. So we covered this, multiply the formulas of species of coefficients so that oxidation number becomes equal. You have done this. Okay? Now, you have to see what? Where H is more. Come on, see. Here it is how much? 6. But here it is only 2H, isn't it? So you have to basically now copper has been balanced. Okay? Copper is balanced. Here nitrogen is balanced. Oxygen and as well as hydrogen is remaining. Okay? So for that last step it is said what? You have to add water. Water in order to balance this H. So what you will be doing? 3CuO plus 2NH3, okay, gives 3CuO, gives 3Cu plus N2 plus how many H we have to do? Here it is how many? 6. So for making it 6, you have to write what? 3 over here, 3H2O. Now your reaction is totally balanced. So when you are balancing an equation, you have to follow all the steps, okay, in order to balance the equation. Okay. So this is done by oxidation number method in this manner. Now we will be studying about half reaction method. Okay. Next method we are studying about balancing the redox reaction is the half reaction method or the ion electron method. Okay. In this, actually the steps which we will be following will be, first you will be writing the equation in the ionic form. Okay. Then you have to take the reduction half and oxidation half. Okay. And after that, seeing that reduction and oxidation, you have to balance it also, and then you will have to multiply with the factor in order to make them equal. Okay. And then after that I will be adding what? Electrons to the ion electron equations. Okay. And then converting the equation, adding the equation, getting the whole reaction, and then whether it is acidic or basic we will be seeing, and in that manner if it is acidic or basic we will be adding water in this H plus ions only, and we will be on the other sides we will also be adding it the OH, and this H and OH will be just balancing it by forming what? Water. Okay. So let us see it with the help of the example. Okay. So one example I have taken, MnO4 minus plus SO3 2 minus gives MnO4 2 minus plus SO4 2 minus H2O. If we are doing this in what? Alkaline medium. Okay. Alkaline medium. So let us start. Okay. So we will be seeing which has been oxidized and which has been reduced. Okay. So if we are seeing, to first take out the oxidation number, the best method or best way to see it is take out the oxidation number. Okay. So in this, if you are taking out the oxidation number of MnO4 minus it is, so it will be what? X plus 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 1, isn't it? And here it becomes, so what? X is equal to minus 8 is equal to minus 1, and then X is equal to what? Here it will be plus 7. So here it becomes what? Plus 7. Okay. Now, see it for here, Mn, take it x plus, okay, so here it is 2 minus, okay, just remember that, and here it is 4, so 4 minus 2 is equal to what? Minus 2, okay, so now here it will be x plus minus 8 is equal to minus 2, that becomes what? X is equal to 6. So you got it over here also, it is 6. Then come on, take out now the oxidation number of SO3 in this oxidation of S, okay. So here x, okay, plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to minus 2, that becomes what? X is equal to x plus minus 6 is equal to minus 2. So here it becomes what? It goes over this side, so it becomes what? 4. So here it becomes plus 4. You all know how to take out the oxidation number. Just take it out. Okay. Now for SO4, 2 minus. Okay. Here x minus 8 it will become, okay, is equal to minus 2. Then x is equal to what? 6. So now you have got basically the oxidation number of the elements. Now let us see which has been oxidized and which has been reduced. Okay. So now what we are seeing in this MnO4, here it is plus 7, it is being to plus 6, it is being what? Reduced. And here SO3, okay, 2 minus plus 4 plus 6, it is being oxidized. So oxidation half and reduction half, let us take out. Oxidation half. Okay, so SO3, 2 minus, okay, gives SO4, 2 minus. Now you are seeing what? In this, it has been oxidized naturally. So here, how many difference of the electrons we will be adding over where? Where in this, if we add 2 electrons, it will become plus 4. So you will be adding over here what? 2 electrons. Okay. Now, here, you are seeing what? Oxygen, here it is 3 and here it is 4. So here, you are having 1 oxygen more. So in order to balance this, you will be adding what? H2O over this side. Okay. So that this is being balanced. But when you balance it with this and you are adding this water, you are adding 2H to H2O, it means 2H becomes more over here. So you will be writing here 2H plus. Okay. So now this is balanced. Now coming to the reduction half. Okay. So here MnO4 minus, you are getting what? MnO4, okay, 2 minus, okay, here you have got what the oxidation state, okay, it is plus 7 and here it is plus 6, okay. So now here if we are seeing where we will be writing the electrons, okay, so electrons if we add over this side, MnO4 plus here how many electrons? 1 electron, okay, it will be giving what? MnO4 2 minus. So now you have taken out basically what? The oxidation half and the reduction half. Now what you have to do, here it is 2 electrons and here it is the difference of 1 electron. So you will be multiplying this with 1 and this one with 2. Okay. So oxidation half we will be multiplying it with 1 and reduction half we will be multiplying it with 2. Now let us see what we will be getting. We will be getting how much? 2MnO4, okay, plus 2 electron plus SO3 2 minus plus H2O will be getting what? 2MnO for 2 minus, okay, then SO4 2 minus plus 2 electron plus 2 H plus ions, and yes, in the reaction sides we have H2O also over there, okay, you will be copying it that also, okay. So now here 2 electron and 2 electron will be cancelled, here water will be cancelled, okay. Now as it is in alkaline medium and we are getting 2 H plus ions over here, we will be adding what? That much OH minus ions over here and that side also. So now the equation becomes 2MnO4 plus SO3 2 minus, okay, it gives 2MnO4 2 minus plus SO4 2 minus, okay, plus it is 2H plus ion, so I said you will be adding OH minus over here also and OH minus over here also, and here you will be adding what? 2 OH minus, here also it is 2 OH minus, okay. Naturally what will happen, now this will form MnO4, 2MnO4 plus SO3 2 minus plus 2 OH minus gives 2MnO4 2 minus plus SO4 2 plus 2 H2O, okay, and hence now you will be seeing that this equation has been balanced, okay. So this is how you balance by half reaction method or ion electron method, okay. You will be seeing whether it is alkaline medium or acidic medium, accordingly the last step you will be doing, okay.